hits a bird?
Hey, what if it hits an airplane?
Yeah. Yay!
There's a classic going on, guys.
Are you kidding?
Not kidding! Really?
That's like a terrorist.
Hit the window loud!
Guys, it's being recorded right now, so can you please lower your voices?
Really?
Okay. So about 4 grams of baking powder.
It's only for kids.
For
4 spoons.
That goes into the launching pad. Okay. Next, vinegar.
It's so smelly.
Oh!
I don't smell that.
I smell it.
Yeah, you're supposed to be out there.
Okay. Now, we are going to put this
They
together,
get my face.
and then we're going to see what happens. Now, can I have everyone that does not have a camera stand over there or up on top of the seat? Okay. Can I have you girls stand on that side? Stand back.